Hello guys, welcome to my channel Unbox Master. Today we will be doing a gaming review of Xiaomi Redmi 6A. Let me tell you that this mobile Redmi 6A is having a processor of MediaTek Helio A22 quad-core processor, and this one is a 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of storage variant. So let's begin the test. Firstly we will play Asphalt 9 on this device. Guys, the game is loading. Let me finish up the loading first. So guys, the game has started. So guys, let me show you the graphics of this game. As you can see, the graphics are not up to the mark. The game is not running smoothly. As you can see that the game is slowing down. And it is failed. Let me restart the game. Let me start the game. So guys, let me show you the graphics again so that you can watch. Clearly that the game is hanging very much. It is very slow. The performance of this game on this device is not good. I think the gaming test of this game on this Xiaomi Redmi 6A has failed. Let me show you another game. Let's play Subway Surface. As this is a 5.45-inch HD screen, so the colors are good of this screen. The colors are not bad. This is a small game. It takes less RAM, so this game is running smoothly. No issues with that. Let's just try another game. Now we will play PUBG on this device. Let me just finish up the settings. As now you can see that graphics have already set to a low based, so this is selected. This is a low version of graphics. Let me show you the graphics of this game also. The graphics of this game also is not up to the mark. It is not good. But sometimes the phone is also hanging. There is a lag on this device. Let me show you the graphics closely. As you can see, the graphics are okay but not that good. So guys, this is the review of Xiaomi Redmi 6A. Hope you like the video guys. Subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon button.